Hey, hey guys, Living Squad back for another video. It's Daffodil Day today, and I've got 2 packs of Burning Shadows to open. Oh goodness. We'll go for March Shop first. I haven't opened any of these yet, so this will be pretty fun. And of course, I cannot open this pack. I'm trying to do it carefully as well because I want to try and collect all 3 pack artworks. Okay. Oh, good card. So there's your code card there. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, Grass Energy. Is that will need more? Oh, Charmeleon. Buffalon. Yep. Olivia. Nordish. Dynamo. Mudbray. Snuffle. Noibat. Oh, a reverse rare. I can't pronounce that. And Porygon Z Holo, not too shabby. And now for the Necrozma artwork. There's another green and white code, I'm pretty sure. I called it green and white code again. Oh gosh. Hopefully a GX or a holo. 1, 2, 3. It's 3, 4. Okay, the energy is Fairy. Okay, Fairy Energy. A Tormenting Spray. Weakness Policy. Heat More. Oh, I love that artwork. A Vulpix. Pretty cute. Oh, Hoot-Hoot. I never knew they had a Hoot-Hoot. Ladybug. Marlborough. Horsey. Vulpix Reverse and Tapu Fini GX! Oh, that's amazing. It's a good thing I've got those Tapu Koko sleeves to put on it too. So anyway, that's amazing. The top one, I don't think I gave away the code. Here, take that code if I didn't give it away already. I'll show off the first code again in case no one got that first time. And anyway, I want to thank you all very much for watching this video, and I'll see you next